Over the cabinet towel rack. Streamline your kitchen organization with the iDesign steel kitchen towel bar. Ideal for hanging hand towels, washcloths, potholders, cleaning rags, and more. Versatile uses. The versatile, compact design of the over-the-door towel rack is great for use in your kitchen, bathroom, or anywhere else that you could use a towel within reach. Stylish design with safe backing. This dish towel holder is crafted with a brushed stainless steel finish that is rust-resistant and matches a variety of decor styles. Features a non-absorbing foam backing to protect cabinets from scratching. Easy to install. Simply place the towel drying rack over a cabinet door for easy installation, no hardware needed. Fits over all standard kitchen and bathroom cabinet doors. Ideal size. Perfect for use in small cabinets. The kitchen towel hanger measures 9.25 by 2.5 x 2.5. Top reviews from the United States. Nice quality. Excellent quality. This is just what I wanted for kitchen and bath. I love the foam-like padding which prevents the cabinet wood from scratching. Be aware these are small, 9, but exactly as advertised. Exactly what I wanted. A towel folded in half just fits, but if you are looking for something to hang an unfolded towel, you need something wider than 9.